The goal of this activity is for your students to viscerally feel how difficult it is to build something without a common language. Your students may not understand why you are challenging them this way, but they will soon understand when you disclose the Bible story behind it. But first, the frustration. Jenga blocks work great, but you can use wood blocks, Legos, or even Lincoln logs. Come up with some crazy set of directions based on which material you have chosen. For instance, make a hexagon, a six-sided shape, and then place 2 blocks standing up in the center. Then place another block on the top of them so that it looks like a door frame. Make enough copies of these instructions so that groups of 2 students can each have one. You might want to place them in sealed envelopes to deepen the mystery. Divide your class into teams of 2, designating one member as the builder and the other as the foreman. Give each group a set of building materials and a sealed envelope. The foreman will read the directions silently and then sit on his or her hands, keeping the instructions out of the sight of the builder. The builder will use his or her hands to build the structure based on the foreman's head gestures and eyes only. There's to be no talking between them. Give teams approximately 5 minutes to build their structures and then share with each team how well they did. Read Genesis 11 verses 1 through 9 together as a class. The tower that the people were building was likely a ziggurat. A ziggurat had many levels, each one slightly smaller than the one before it. Stairs angled up the sides of it, eventually leading to a room at the top where sacrifices were made to false gods. The people had hoped to build one so tall that it could reach right up to the heavens. Ask your students how difficult it was to build their tower without talking, and then follow up with why God decided to confuse the people's ability to communicate by giving them multiple languages. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.